One last question. What, from an attorney standpoint, our specialty is working with attorneys, and what do you see that we do that is advantageous to attorneys more so than maybe some of the other clients that we work with? What types of things do we bring to the party that really help an attorney that they're not going to get typically other places?
I really do think it's the cash flow. It's the cash flow piece, Ken, because, so for me, I have more of a stable income because I do finance clients on payment plans. So it's pretty easy. But a lot of lawyers don't, right? They have contingency fees that they have coming in, or, they're doing criminal law where they have a big chunk of money come in and then nothing, right? And so the cash flow projection really helps with knowing, there's Big Ben again, the cash flow projections really help in knowing when, how to allocate our resources. In a law office, it is that way, because we just want to practice the law, and it's so complex, and to try to think about, how am I going to allocate my resources? It's not on the radar at all. And you guys show up, month after month, analyzing all this data, and especially you give a really valuable description of the way in which the resources need to be allocated. So I'll say, well, God, Ken, I really need to, I want to upgrade. I want to get scanners for every paralegal. I want to get this new software package that's really cool. And also I want to get pens and refrigerator magnets, And you're like, no, Yeah, or maybe the refrigerator magnets, but everything else is like, no way. And it's like, okay, well then when? And you say, well, when you've done this much amount of business, then you can actually do it. And I'm like, okay, great. Then I'm gonna get into it. I'm gonna make sure I meet these goals, and then I'm gonna spend the money. And that's, for lawyers, that's a really big deal. That's a big deal because lawyers, we have a lot of because our license is our marketing, and so we can choose certain clients, and we can charge fees, and we can take in cases that that can meet our goals or not. And so a lot of times I just get in the habit, I need whoever walks in the door, I'm going to take this case. And the coaching you were giving me was like, no, you actually can't take that case unless it's going to actually pay that amount. So I would just say, okay, I have to charge you this amount, and if you're not going to pay me this amount, then I can't really work with you. And so I was letting go clients, and it was kind of scary at first, but then the next client would come in who would agree to that, and then the profitability of my practice would increase over time based on real information, and that was really helpful to me.
Good. Well, we certainly appreciate your willingness to sit down and talk and give us the testimonial. We've enjoyed working with you over all these years and look forward to many more.
Yeah. Thanks, Ken. Thanks, Mary Ann.
Thank you.
Thank you.